Hi, I'm Karen Jordan with HBR Rentals. Today I want to talk about why plumbing and HVAC inspections are mandatory and why even a brand new home isn't always problem free. At HBR Rentals, our goal is to protect what matters most, your investment and your residents. Before any home is listed, we require a plumbing and HVAC inspection to confirm systems are safe, working, and compliant. Even new or vacant homes can have issues. The seals dry out, the drains are clogged, filters collect construction dust, or thermostats malfunction. These checks help prevent costly emergencies and ensure a smooth move-in. We once managed a brand new construction home, never lived in. Just days after move-in, the resident reported water leaking through the first floor ceiling. It turned out that the shower drain upstairs had never been properly screwed in during construction. So every shower sent water through the walls, leading to a full remediation to prevent mold and repair the damage. A simple pre-move-in inspection would have caught it. Even new homes need testing because they've never truly been lived in. There's a difference between brand new and new to you. New construction homes haven't been tested by daily use. A home that's 1 or 2 years old has been lived in, meaning filters need replacing, fittings may be loosened, and systems wear naturally. Both need inspections. New construction to confirm proper installation, and previously occupied homes to ensure continued safety and performance. These inspections aren't just for compliance, they protect you. We document every system tested and functioning properly before move-in. If a maintenance request comes in later, we verify whether it's a true failure or a resident responsibility due to misuse or neglect. This record keeps costs fair, protects your investment, and prevents disputes. At HBR Rentals, we don't just manage homes, we manage them proactively. Our rent ready standards help ensure every system works safely and efficiently before your resident moves in. To learn more about our inspection process, visit hbrrentals.com. Remember, a small inspection today can prevent a major repair tomorrow.